fire you got going here, Gray?
It's not doing bad.
It's not. Might go and get some more wood in a bit.
Definitely.
Right.
Yeah, this wind's just eating it up.
It is. It is. You might not be able to see me, but hello everybody. Welcome back. We're on a camp. We've we set up quite early. Yeah, you can't see me at all probably. But I'll keep speaking. We set up quite early. We got here quite early and set up, but things just didn't really go to plan. And now it's dark. So we've got a fire going. But I'll do some more recording tomorrow. I'll do a bit more tonight, but we'll do the bulk of it tomorrow, I think, because then I can show you the setups that we've got and things like that. So yeah, I better go help Gray get some wood now because he's done all the fire on his own, and I was too busy faffing around with my stuff. So I'll get back to you in a bit. So the motto of the story today. Not that there's a motto, but what we keep finding ourselves is, oh, why is this all going so wrong? Why is this happening? Graham's lost his saw. We've had a look for it. Can't find it anywhere. The fire's building up quite nicely now, so I'm going to start doing some food prep to get the stew on the go, because it's going to take a few hours to cut. Is that the moon up there? I won't show you on the camera because you won't see it, or maybe you will. Oh, you won't if I shine a torch at it. I can't see because of the trees. No, it's just a big star. But stars are starting to come out now. So yeah, I'm going to start prepping some food as soon as I find an area where the smoke isn't going to go. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Where can I prep my food, Graham?
What, where the smoke isn't?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, I know, right? Now it's gone down there. Right, okay, we'll try it in the chair, we'll see how this goes. Stock pot. Soup. Oh yeah, I put stuff inside that I don't actually need. Tins tomatoes. Right, all that I do need. That's my serving bowl.
Cool.
Look how small it is. But it'll do. Right, let's get rid of the guff that I don't need. Oh, I need that, that's the steak.
You did get an industrial load of it.
Knife, tin opener, onion, and a clove of garlic in there. And a billy can. Let's get started, shall we? With some. I'm just going to use this knife. It's not the best, certainly not the worst. Yeah, we can use this. This will be fine. I like red onions as well because they hurt your eyes less. There we go. I'm thinking just chunks of onion. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Or maybe a bit less than that. We'll just loosely pop them in. There's going to be all these like bushcraft cooking people now who'll be like, oh, that's not how you prep onions.
Oh, I don't know, you might get signed up by the BBC camping with Rust-Ely straps.
Yeah, maybe. Unlikely. Ugh. Just cut it up nice and small, and then hopefully it'll just go into the pot. That bit and that bit, and we'll just stick those bits in. Right, so all we're going to do with that now is leave the lid off and just stick it in the fire. we go. This is what I made. It'll work as a lid remover, as well as for plonking it on the fire and giving it a stir. Gray's actually put some beer in there because it could have burnt whilst I set it all up. There's a bit too much flame going on there. There we go, I think we found a nice little patch. When's your steak going on, Gray?
I won't take long.
You like it
I like it the proper way.
Not cooked.
Exactly.
That's still quite sizzly. Stewing steak. There we go. It does not want to come out. Controversially, I'm going to put some chunky tomatoes in. There we go. That gives it a bit of wet. We're going to struggle here, Gray.
That is a lot of food.
It is.
And I've got a steak.
And you've got a steak. What I do want to put in here now, though, is a stock cube. Or this stock. There you go. I think that's probably going to be plenty.
That is a lot.
Just for the two of us.
Yeah.
And then we leave that for a very long time.
Yeah, sure.
Right, I think it's time to have a little look.
Yeah, go for it.
It smells, Graham.
Smell is good.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Ooh, bubbly.
Oh, that's bubbly wobbly.
Mm.
That's the official term. Let it do its business. There we go. So there it is, next to the fire.
Good job.
Oh, do it now. There we go.
It's frozen. Where's the sheep gone?
I've got it. Unless you want to have that for breakfast. What you doing there, Gray?
I am putting my steak on.
Oh, in foil?
Yeah. Well, no,
no.
I'm not going to cook it in the foil. That's just how I kept it safe. Wow, but it doesn't actually fit.
On your little grill?
Yeah.
You just put it over the top of the billy can.
I could do it.
I wouldn't. I'm going to fetch that off again in a minute.
Try that.
That'll be alright.
I'll just have to move it, lads.
Yeah, it'll break down. Nice. What steak is it? Rump or
It's a sirloin.
sirloin? That's
Yeah.
a sirloin. It's huge.
I know.
Wow, that is looking good. I wish I'd bought a steak now.
It is looking good.
I bought stewing steak and it's in there.
It doesn't take much cooking though.
No, mine does, unfortunately. Takes a while. No, I'm not calling this a stew. I'm calling this beef and tomato
Yeah.
in a pot with onions and some garlic.
That's not a catchy name.
No, but that's what it is. Dav's special hot pot. That's what we'll call it. Well, we're too hungry now to really care. It's reduced a little bit on the fire, but I think we're just going to spoon some out and just eat it because it's getting on. It's 20 past 9 now, so I think it's time for some food.
It looks good.
But it tastes good. Oh wait, I'm getting some. You have to dig a little deeper. I'm definitely getting something that smells meaty.
There we go.
Oh, that's it. 30 seconds if you want it. There we go. Oh, there's some steam coming off that. I don't know what the focus is like on an action cam.
Yeah, it's alright. It's just like a very rich beef and tomato soup.
Yeah, with big chunks in it.
I like it.
Okay, the billy pot's gone back on again. Just got some water out of the stream because I want to do some washing up. I'm going to have a beer while I wait. And yeah, but disaster struck because I haven't bought any detergent. Isn't that nice? Oh well, I knew I forgot something. Here we go. Club Tropica, a tiny rebel beer. It's only 5.5%. Good lord. Yeah, I'm gonna have this. Smoke, go that way. I'm not one for having tins of beer, but when camping it's a good idea. Goodness me, that's tropical. It's a tropical IPA.
Yes.
We have one rule: never just make vanilla ice cream.
That is a weird rule.
That's alright, that. Oh. That's it, all the jobs is done. There's a tarp over there that I'm going to put the stuff that doesn't fit in my tent under, which I think, to be honest, won't be a lot. I'm still drinking this after I've done my washing up, and then I'm going to follow it up with this Stonehouse Brewery Pilsner Bay Kiwi Pilsner. I'm going to have these, and then probably think about tuning in for the evening. We'll see you in the morning. Bye!
Bye!